This is a keyless assa twin 6K that I bought off of somebody, lockpicking dev, on Discord. You can see it's old. The keyway's all chewed up. It's probably been picked a million times. It doesn't really put up the same fight that a newer one does. It's probably dirty. It was outside, you can tell, but it's fine. It's still an assa twin 6K. So Law Lock Tools 47 thousandths, number 4 from the Reaper set. This one doesn't really act like normal ones. It's like the barrels kind of fall out and back into the milling, so you just got to go through and just keep bouncing. I mean, I'm using a little bit more tension than I normally would for barrel spools to get them up into the milling normally, and they're still falling down. And all I'm doing is just going and touching each pin, waiting for number 5 and 6 to start going into the milling. Maybe not. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 maybe. Let's see. I don't think it's ready yet, but it's not. I don't have something all the way up there. 2, 3. 6. Maybe not. 2, 3. Maybe not. I don't know. I can't tell. I felt a little. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just gotta keep touching them. Alright, let's see. We might be good now. Little chord movement. 1, 2, 3. 3. All right. There we go. That is the Assa Twin 6K.